Why do I hear boos? I hear a lot of boos. All right, let's step up the cheers. All right, this is a big surprise. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Every night. Hold on. Ash.kaashh sloppy top with sound. Uh-oh. Oh my God. Hold on, let me look at that one by myself. Oh my God, bro. Bro, you click on it, she just sucking and slurping a nigga's dick crazy. All right. Damn, that's a damn shame, man. Grew up to suck dick and fuck. They got her whole OnlyFans right here, sucking and slobbing on dicks. And she let a nigga record, so she down bad. Yeah, she definitely looked like she got the double stack game. That's undeniable. All right, I got her whole OnlyFans shit pulled up, tits.